Welcome to this clear and concise tutorial on integrating your Facebook page into your WordPress website. In this session, you will learn the process step by step as you transform your website to include seamless social media integration. Begin by opening your browser and navigating to your WordPress website. Once the site is loaded, you will see the login option clearly displayed in the upper right corner. This is your starting point and the first action you need to complete. After you click the login button at the top right of the page, the system will direct you to the authentication screen. Here you are presented with several convenient options to sign into your account. One efficient method is to choose the option labeled Continue with Google. This allows you to take advantage of your existing Google credentials, eliminating the need to remember another password. Once you click the Continue with Google option, you will then be prompted to select the Google account you wish to use. Choose the account that is linked with your WordPress site. This streamlined process ensures that you are quickly and securely signed in. After signing in, you will be directed to your WordPress dashboard. Look for the quick links section that appears on this main screen, where you will find an option called Edit Site. Clicking Edit Site is essential as it takes you directly to the editing mode for your website. In this space, you gain control over the design and content of your pages. When the website editor opens, you will see a list of your pages. Choose the one you want to modify by clicking on your website. This will allow you to begin editing your site immediately. Now that you are in the editing interface, it is time to add the Facebook integration feature. Direct your attention to the top left corner of the editor, where you will find a plus icon. This icon is your gateway to adding new elements to your website. A click on the plus icon will typically open a menu or search field where you can browse a variety of features. After clicking the plus icon, a search bar appears. In this bar, you need to type in the phrase Facebook embed. This search action is designed to find the exact element that facilitates the integration of your Facebook page into your site. As you see the Facebook embed feature listed in the search results, click on it to incorporate it into your website. Notice how the element appears on your page as a placeholder waiting for your specific information. Once the embed feature is added to your page, the next step is to connect it to your Facebook account. You do this by entering the URL of your Facebook page in the field provided. It is important to type the Facebook page URL accurately to ensure a proper connection. After entering your URL, click on the button labeled Embed. This step initiates the connection between your WordPress site and your Facebook page, effectively embedding your social content onto your website. With the Facebook page now integrated, your final task is to save all of the changes you have made. Look up at the top right corner of the editor and click Save. This action commits your changes, ensuring that your new Facebook integration is active and visible to your visitors. Following these steps carefully makes it easy to add valuable social media content to your WordPress site, and you have now successfully completed the process.